how you get a huge branch off a tree that has fallen on your woodshed, off your woodshed, so you can start to repair it. Honestly, this guy knows how to do it. He has no fear. It's crazy. Not even a shirt on. We live in cottage country, and neighbors help neighbors. And this is one of the, even though there was devastation, mini twister come through my place, it's nice to have friends that know what they're doing. And we all help each other. Another friend, our neighbors next door, lent us a generator. It's just how it goes here in cottage country. I hope everybody else is safe. Have a good day.